We're all bundled up.
Ready to go to the ice castles.
This is something we like to do every year. And I think this is our third or fourth, no, yeah, fourth or fifth time.
Yeah, it's been.
Because I know we've been at least 3 times. I can't think of
a lot of times
with more. Well, I'm excited to see how it is because every year it's different. We're just waiting to go in. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this? Dun 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 dun. Go in that hole. I don't know if the bag will fit through there. Well, here's the slide. I'm gonna go down, or try to. Oh my gosh, it's so slippery. Come on, Jake! Ah!
A little.
Here comes Jake! Down this little tunnel. Oh my gosh, you can like crawl in there. Are you having fun?
I'm having so much fun.
Yeah? Here comes the baby from the womb.
It's gold.
Is it gold?
Yeah.
Well, it's been a fun time exploring at the ice castles.
Yep, my knees are cold from crawling around.
Yeah, and our bums are a little wet because the snow's a little melty. And we sat on a lot of ice.
It's awesome.
It was.
But it just means it's not as cold out.
Which was nice because it actually was a lot more enjoyable being really warm.
Yeah, so that's good. But they have ice castles all over the U.S. and so I'm sure you can find one nearby, and if you get a chance, you should definitely go.
It's one of our favorite things we like to do each winter. So thanks for joining along with us.
See ya.